This is my 2015 Mazda 3 Sky Active engine. It's due for oil change. Now I have hit 45,000 miles. 45,000 miles within 2 years, and I do my oil change every 5,000 miles. Now this is what I use. I use Castro Edge. I bought this for, I normally get it on a discount for $28 at my local store here called Advanced AutoZone. $27. Castro Edge 0W20. Then this is Mazda OEM filter. I also bought this on Amazon. I bought a pack of 6 for $52. You need this socket. You can see the size of this socket. It's 1116 socket, and we have this small one to remove the cover, those small screws. 516 socket to remove the cover. I have my tug wrench. The car is already jacked. As you can see, there are points here. This point, that's where they recommend you put the jack. The other side has the same point. It's easily noticed. It's easily noticed. Now let's go under the car. It's very difficult for me because I'm by myself, but I'll do my best to do this video. Now you can see under the car. This is the screw we need to remove. This, that, and this to get access to the filter and the oil pan plug. So it's right underneath here. Just remove this cover. So I'll go ahead and remove it. Now once removed, this is how it looks like. I'm doing my best to shoot this video. It's really tough for me. I might need a GoPro to be doing this. So I'm just doing my best to shoot this video. So this is the filter. And this is the oil pan and the oil pan plug. So you need to remove that cover to get access to this point. So right now the cover is removed. I'm going to take off the filter and remove the plug. There's one thing I forgot to mention. My car was assembled in Mexico. It was assembled in Mexico, but the engine and transmission came from Japan. So in some of the oil pan plug, the plug is different. So you got to make sure you have the right socket for the oil pan. Some of them they use Allen key, but mine uses regular socket. Yes. So I'll pause the video, then remove the filter. Yes, I just unscrewed the plug. This is my tug wrench. So it went here. Then just boom, I got it out. So I have my oil pan underneath. So I'm gonna remove the plug then let the oil drain. Oh God, you see the mess I caused? All right. Now I will let it sit for a while and drain fully. Of course, a big mess here. That's why it's always to have something like this board on the floor to absorb the mess. So I'll allow it to drain. After draining, I'll come and remove the filter. Yeah, it appears it's done draining. It's just dripping. You can wait for some time for it to drip completely, but with me it's okay for me. So I'm gonna clean around it and put the plug back. So just cleaning around it. And I've also cleaned the plug. The plug has a filter. I mean, the plug has a washer on top of it. So make sure you have that one in place. Then you screw it back. Just like that. Very simple. Nothing difficult about it. If you are quite handy and you don't fear dirt, you can easily do it. Save yourself some money, and also the trip to the dealer. I used to go to the dealer, but I got fed up with them, because every time they change the oil, it's either underfilled or overfilled. Underfilled or overfilled. So I said, no, I can't continue to go there and risk. So I decided to do it myself. So for the past 1 year, I've been changing my own oil, and it's fun. That is the filter. I'm gonna clean the filter a little bit. So that, oh shit, I'm causing all mess around here. Okay, I'm gonna remove the filter. Now remember, I have not tightened the bolt yet. I will do that when I'm tightening the filter. So don't forget, it's very important to tighten the bolt. Alright, I'm gonna remove the filter. Pausing. Alright, I have removed the filter. As you can see, I've removed the filter, clean around the area of the filter so that there are no debris. Now I'm gonna put this filter, the original oil filter from Mazda. Screw it in. And tighten. I'm gonna use the torque wrench to tighten it a bit together with the the oil plug. Remember, I didn't tighten it, so I'm gonna tighten it together with this. So you might not see that part. Right now everything is set, it's tightened, so I'm gonna put the cover back on. As you can see, the cover has been put in place and it's all set. So right now I go into the engine, so I'll get off here and go to the engine to put in the motor oil. Yeah, right now my hood is open. Now as you can see here, look at the oil, the kind of oil the manufacturer recommends. 0W20. So don't use anything else, please. Use 0W20 because that's what the car manufacturer recommends. This is Mazda 3. So I picked this from the local store, as you can see, and that's what I'm gonna use to put inside the engine. As simple as that. It requires about 4.8 quarts. I'm not very sure. I think it's 4.8 quarts or 4.9 quarts. Check in your manufacturer's handbook. Okay. I'm done putting in the motor oil. So I'm gonna check the dipstick to see. Oh, perfect. It is at the right level. At the right level. You might not see it properly in the video, but I can see it from here. So I am done. One thing I will say about this is the car is very low, so when you are jacking it up, it's a little bit difficult, but it takes patience and you will get it done. Thank you for watching. Any question you can ask. Thank you.